Hello friends, welcome to my channel techgitter. In this video we will learn the steps to activate your l.l.bean Mastercard account online. We have to visit the official website of l.l.bean Mastercard. Activate.llbeanmastercard.com. You can go directly to the website by typing this link. Here you have to sign into your account. Enter your credentials and tap on Sign On. If the button is Credentials, then tap on Retrieve Username or Reset Password. After this, you have to navigate to the activation section to activate your card. If you have not created an account, then you have to go with Set up your account to create your account. Enter your card number here and click on Continue. If you do not have a card, then you just choose the second option, I don't have my card on hand. You have to enter the name on the card and the SSN of the primary card holder. Then choose the medium to send the verification code which is suitable for you, i.e. text message or phone call. After this, check the terms and conditions and click on Send Verification Code. After activation, you can log into your account using your username and password to manage your account, check balances, make payments, and review statements. If necessary, follow any additional steps or security measures for added security of your account. Once activated, you can begin using your l.l.bean Mastercard for purchases and take advantage of any available rewards and benefits. If you encounter any problems or need assistance, consider contacting l.l.bean customer service or the credit card issuer directly. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified when our next video goes live. Thanks for watching and have a great day.